My name is Dr. Hi, my name is Dr. Katie Donnelly. I'm a pediatric emergency medicine physician at Children's National Hospital. I'm also the medical director of Safe Kids DC. And as the weather is getting nicer, more and more kids are out and about walking and riding bikes. Here are some questions I get about how to keep kids safe while out and about. So, one, how do I know when my child is ready to walk somewhere by themselves? Most kids aren't ready to walk to school or the corner store or the playground by themselves until they're about 10. That's because until that age, they have a real hard time judging how fast a car might be coming. Once they hit that age, I want you to walk the route with them. Have them make all the decisions. Did they stop and look both ways? Could they remember the route? Did they get distracted by their phone or do something unsafe? If you see any of those behaviors, they just might not be ready yet. Number two, what is the best way to teach my kids how to cross the street safely? Well, the absolute best way is to teach kids is to model the safe behavior. That means you're always using the crosswalk, you're crossing with the walk sign, and you look both ways for oncoming traffic. Also, put down your phone when crossing the street and have your child do the same with their phone or game. Finally, you can talk or sing a song about what you're doing in the moment to be safe and cross the street. That can help that lesson really stick. Three, what times of day are the most dangerous for pedestrians? And though we can be struck at any time of day, dawn and dusk are the most dangerous times for pedestrians. It's hard to tell when to turn headlights on and off as the daylight changes, and the sun might be directly in drivers' eyes. Many folks are in a rush to get to work or home after a busy day, and more kids are on the road, walking to school or home from activities. So we want to make sure we're using extra caution during these times of day. The fourth question is, how can I encourage my child to wear a helmet? First, if you ride a bike, wear a helmet too. Children see what you do, and your actions matter. Next, I want you to talk to them about why the helmet is important for keeping them safe. Make it clear that in your family, you only ride bikes with a helmet on, no exceptions, and stick to that rule. Also, let them decorate their helmets with stickers, paint, rhinestones. These decorations won't affect the safety of the helmet, but they might make them more likely to wear the helmet without a fight. And finally, number five, how can I keep my child safe from cars while they're riding their bike? First, I want you to ride with them and teach them the rules of the road. They don't drive, so they might not know how to stop at stop signs or safely turn, or that they should ride in the same direction as cars. Get them reflective tape and lights for their clothing, helmets, and bike, and teach them to be predictable on the road. You want drivers to be able to know where you're going, so no swerving or sudden changing of lanes. Number six, how do I know I have the right size helmet for my child? Try it on. The helmet should fit on their head snugly. When you put it on, it should sit low on the forehead, maybe 1 to 2 finger widths above the eyebrows. Then buckle the chin strap and tighten it. To check the fit, I want you to yawn. The helmet should pull forward on you or your child's head. It should not be loose enough to rock back and forth on your head. If you're getting rocking, you need to readjust the chin straps. Thanks so much for listening and watching to this episode of Bear Bites. If you have follow-up questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or email us at safekidsdc@safekids.org. Stay safe out there.